Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox that Hoco portable mini shaver Di30 model. It's come in two colors, blue and orange. Let's unbox it and watch what's inside the box. That's warranty card. Company offered you 1 year warranty. And manual instruction is there. Manual instruction you must read out before you use that product. Let's see what's inside the box. That's Type-C charging cable and cleaning brush is there. Have a look of this machine. Hope you guys like this video. Wow, what a nice color, premium look, Type-C charging and removable blader head. Without any cut, without anything, you see super result in front of you. For cleaning this machine, you have to remove that header blade. It's magnet one and tap it. Like tap, tap, tap and again tap.